Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to stay in alignment with all that you want to manifest at the moment. And the Two of Pentacles came through and the message here is balance. It's about balance in your life, and it's like you might feel like you're juggling a lot, right? But be playful in that. Like, it's the way you look at things, right? So you might feel like you're juggling between, so much going on in your life, for starters, and trying to stay positive, going between positive and negative. And this card to me is telling me today that be a little bit playful. Like, to me, she's juggling, and she has what she wants to manifest, and it's in the process of becoming a physical manifestation. And it's about enjoying the journey along the way and being playful in it and holding the balance, right, in life, and the balance between positive and negative as well. So some days you might feel like it's never going to happen for me, it's not going to happen, and other days you might feel it is going to happen, it is going to happen for me. And just having a little bit of a laugh at yourself, really, for being like that. So, because you see, when you're being like that, it's like going between your soul and your human self. So your ego and your higher self, right? And so when you become negative, you're in your ego. When you become positive, you're in that higher self, you're in the soul. So that's the balance as well. That's the balance between your human self and your soul, higher self, right? It's about that as well. So there's a lot of messages here. Let me know if this has resonated with you. And if you liked it, make sure you like it so I can bring you more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification because then you're notified every time I do a reading or a video, and you can learn more and get guidance. See ya.